Hey guys and girls, Saturday the 3rd of October 2020, 10:39 in the morning, and today Gina is working in the vegetable garden. We didn't have any compost ready in time this year. Our compost was a bit of a failure, so we've had to buy compost, and we've also bought some horse manure. Gina's going to work all of that into the soil today and get the beds ready so that they are ready for the winter planting season. The sun is out today, but there's a breeze blowing and it's quite chilly. You know, in England this probably wouldn't feel too chilly, but over here it feels really cold because we're kind of used to a whole year of having, you know, really hot weather. So yeah. And then Gina's got little Mimo over here helping her, giving her some moral support. I won't be giving Gina support today because I am editing the video. So I know you guys want to see your video this week, so yeah, I'm going to be working on the computer today. I'm setting up a time lapse. So while I'm working on the PC, hopefully we'll have a time lapse of Gina slaving away in the vegetable garden. Work harder, Gina, faster. Gina and I are just on our way to go and get some more water. So we found a spring where we can attach a hose pipe to it. We got two 30-litre containers and then just some hose pipe and then we're going to take the bin bags. I'm going to stop filming so I can help Gina fill up the car with the bin bags. So we've got our recycling in here. Right, let's hit the road.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack.
Jack's going to hit the road. Oh wait, what am I doing? I'm not putting my safety belt on. I keep doing this. I get in the car, put my safety belt on, and then I have to get out and open up the gate. It's ridiculous. I mean, the kind of problems that Gina and I have to face on a daily basis, you guys have no idea the struggle. The struggle. Right, now it's time for safety belt. We fill up with water from a spring near, what's it called, Gina? Not Castello Novo.
Lorisil de Campo.
Not Lorisil de Campo, no.
Something.
Atalaya de Campo, no.
No. Something with an S.
No, it's not an S.
Doggy.
Oh,
Hello.
I've got some little dog that's just come out of nowhere. Hello, little doggy. Yo, he's a good dog. Don't run into the road now because there's a car, please. No, don't do it. Wow, that was close. I think this dog's probably escaped from this house. Is your dog? Okay. Right, let me sort out these bin bags. Plastico, paper. So this one's quite cool. It's got an actual tap on it. Here you go. It says agua controlada, which basically means that the water is potable. It's controlled, tested. So I'm not sure if it's municipal water or if it's the water that comes from up in Casal de Serra, but I know that it's clean. And so yeah, we're going to fill up these bottles with it. There we go. Look how dirty this car is inside. So what happens when you live on a farm? You can't have nice things anymore. This one has to go here because it can't lie on its side, otherwise it leaks. Something wrong with the cap. I think this one, the cap's all right. Yeah, that's the good one. So this one can lie on its side in the back of the car. So we've got 60 litres there, and that usually lasts us about 2 weeks. This water is only for drinking. It's not what we use for washing up or bathing or anything like that. It's quite literally just our drinking water. We don't use our well water because, well, the well hasn't been tested yet. Although we are using the well water for our farm animals. Not our dogs, just our chickens. And everyone seems fine, so I'm sure our water is okay. Right, so I've got to try and squeeze in here with this damn bottle. Oh, there we go. And now we need to go and get some beers from the village because Sergio's going to come around, and yeah, and we need to make sure that Sergio doesn't die of thirst, or me for that matter. Water everywhere, but nothing to drink. The reason why we actually fill up with water is because none of our water sources have been cleaned yet or tested. They don't actually look bad at all, and we are actually feeding that water to our chickens. Our chickens are still alive after a year, and they're doing very well. So I'm pretty sure that the water's okay, but for Gina and our purposes, we aren't going to be drinking that until it's cleaned and tested. What we're supposed to do is wait until the very end of summer, just before the rainy season starts, which is probably now, to be honest. And then you pump all the water out of the wells, and you get someone to go down there and scrub the walls, scrape all of the muck and silt and everything out the bottom. I think there's a little bit of danger that's involved in doing that because there's a lot of gases and things that sink. And so when you've got something like a well and you pump all the water out, there could be some noxious gases down there, and you abseil down into that well and you lose consciousness quite quickly. Oh yes, in case anyone's wondering, this is the fountain of our village. But it's not actually a fountain. It's quite literally municipal water that just comes out of a tap. So it's not a fountain. We were filling up with this, but the taste of the water is not great. We've got some beers. Christina was asking how Gina is doing.
Oh, did you say I'm all right?
I did. I said you were fine.
So I made soup today. I made tomato, butternut, onion, pepper soup.
Yeah.
All stuff from our garden. And it was bubbling away like Mount Vesuvius, and that's burnt my hand or my wrist. Yeah. And it was instant, like did no blister, just took the skin straight off.
Oof. It was nice soup though.
Hello!
Christina.
She's lovely.
She is lovely. All right, let's go home. As you can see, I'm about to perform surgery. No, let's go home and yeah, unpack. Our fireplace seems to be doing the trick. What do you think, Nanook? It was quite chilly in here earlier, and now, according to this carbon monoxide alarm, it's 30 degrees. But yeah, look at that, nice and cozy. Just what you need in autumn. So we have some manure arriving. We're going to use this in our vegetable garden. Ah! Yes. So that's a nice big pile of sheep manure, and it's mixed in with a little bit of hay. I think the hay is what sort of like the bedding material inside the barn, and then the sheep manure is in there. And what we're going to do is cover it up for now, because it's actually nice and hot from all the composting action going on. So we're going to cover it up for now, and then we're going to work it into our flower beds over here. Not flower beds, into our vegetable beds. So the farmer Joaquin's come, and he's brought his rotavator. It's quite an amazing thing, this actually. You have to start the engine using a piece of string like the old, like the old aeroplanes. We got some ovos.
Obrigado.
We have love.
Yes. Ciao. Yeah. One time, yeah. Wow, look at the turning circle on that as well. Ciao. Well, that was awesome. Hey, so they came and they dropped off some sheep manure, and they've just helped us rotivate our fields. I mean, you couldn't ask for better neighbours, could you?